Is your savings account working as hard as you are? Or is it just sitting there? If you're anything like the millions of people trying to get a handle on their finances, you've probably heard of sinking funds. But what if I told you there's a way to supercharge your sinking funds, make them grow faster, and keep them organized, all without breaking a sweat? That's right, we're talking about Ally Bank and how it can become your ultimate sinking fund sidekick. Rocket. Why sinking funds? The foundation of financial freedom. Before we dive deep into the how, let's quickly touch on the why. What exactly are sinking funds, and why are they so powerful? Imagine this, you know you need a new car in 3 years. You also know your annual car insurance premium is due every 6 months. And then there's that dream vacation you've been eyeing for next summer. If you're just relying on your main checking account for all these expenses, it can feel like a constant game of financial whack-a-mole. One minute you have money, the next it's gone, and you're left wondering where it all went. This is where sinking funds come in. Simply put, a sinking fund is a dedicated savings account or designated amount of money set aside for a specific future expense. Instead of being blindsided by large, anticipated costs, you proactively save for them over time. Think of it like this. You're in control, no more scrambling to find money when a big bill arrives. Stress reduction, knowing you have the funds set aside brings immense peace of mind. Goal achievement, sinking funds are mini financial goals that build momentum towards larger ones. Avoiding debt, you won't need to put anticipated expenses on a credit card. So, instead of a sudden $1,200 car insurance bill, you save $200 a month for 6 months. Instead of draining your emergency fund for a new refrigerator, you've already saved for appliance replacement. It's about being intentional with your money, aligning your spending with your values, and ultimately, building a more secure financial future. The Ally Advantage, why Ally Bank is perfect for sinking funds. Now, you might be thinking, okay, I get sinking funds, but why Ally Bank specifically? Excellent question. Ally Bank isn't just another online bank, it's a powerhouse for smart savers, especially when it comes to managing multiple savings goals. Here's why Ally stands out. High Yield Savings Account, HYSA. This is perhaps the biggest draw. Ally consistently offers highly competitive interest rates on its savings accounts. This means your money isn't just sitting there, it's actively earning more money for you. While the interest might seem small on individual sinking funds, it adds up over time, giving your savings an extra boost. It's like getting paid to save. Buckets feature. This is the game changer for sinking funds. Ally's Buckets feature allows you to essentially create sub-accounts within your single high-yield savings account. Instead of opening 10 separate savings accounts for 10 different sinking funds, you can simply create 10 buckets within one account. This keeps everything consolidated, easy to manage, and avoids cluttering your banking dashboard. We'll dive deeper into how to use this feature in a moment. No monthly maintenance fees. Nobody likes fees. Ally Bank prides itself on being fee-friendly. There are no monthly maintenance fees on their savings accounts, which means every dollar you save stays right where it belongs, in your pocket, working towards your goals. 24/7 online access and excellent mobile app. As an online-only bank, Ally's digital experience is top-notch. Their website and mobile app are intuitive, user-friendly, and allow you to manage your accounts, transfer funds, and track your progress anytime, anywhere. This accessibility is crucial for staying on top of your sinking funds. Customer service. Ally consistently receives high marks for its customer service. While you hopefully won't need to contact them often, it's reassuring to know that help is readily available if you encounter any issues or have questions. In essence, Ally provides the perfect ecosystem for sinking funds, a place where your money earns more, stays organized, and is easily accessible. Setting up your Ally account for sinking funds, a step-by-step guide. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. If you don't already have an Ally high-yield savings account, your first step is to open one. The process is straightforward and can be completed online in a few minutes. Once your account is open and funded, it's time to unleash the power of Ally's Buckets. Step 1. Identify your sinking funds. Before you start creating buckets, take some time to brainstorm all the irregular or anticipated expenses you want to save for. Don't limit yourself. Think broadly. Common sinking fund categories include annual expenses, car insurance, property taxes, Amazon Prime membership, software subscriptions. Periodic expenses, car maintenance, tires, oil changes, home repairs, new roof, appliance replacement, medical deductibles. Larger purchases, down payment for a house, new car, furniture. Vacations, weekend getaways, international trips. Holidays and gifts, Christmas, birthdays, anniversaries. Personal care, haircuts, spa days, gym memberships. Pet care, vet visits, food. Education, tuition, books. Hobbies, new gear, classes. Make a list of everything, no matter how small or large. Step 2. Calculate your monthly contributions. For each sinking fund, you'll need to determine how much you need to save each month. Here's the simple formula. Total cost of expense / number of months until expense equals monthly contribution. Let's use some examples. Car insurance, $1,200 due in 6 months, $1,200 / 6 months equals $200 per month. Vacation, $3,000 for a trip in 12 months, $3,000 / 12 months equals $250 per month. New laptop, $1,500 needed in 9 months, $1,500 / 9 months equals $166.67 per month. Don't worry if the numbers seem daunting at first. The goal is to start somewhere. You can always adjust your contributions as your income or expenses change. Step 3. Create your buckets in Ally. Now for the fun part. Log into your Ally account. Navigate to your savings account. You'll typically see your accounts listed on the main dashboard. Look for the Buckets feature. This might be labeled as Manage Buckets, Set up Buckets, or similar. It's usually prominently displayed within your savings account details. Start creating. Click Add New Bucket or Create a Bucket. Name your bucket. Be specific. Car insurance, summer vacation 2026, emergency fund. Yes, your emergency fund can be a bucket too. Set a goal, optional but recommended. You can enter the target amount for each bucket. This helps you visualize your progress. Set a target date, optional if there's a specific date by which you need the money, add it. Repeat for all your sinking funds. You'll notice that the total balance of your single high-yield savings account remains the same, but now, within that account, the funds are visually segmented into different categories. It's like having multiple virtual envelopes inside one physical envelope. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.